third exit.
Happy birthday on his 70th birthday, which is Thursday, and it's with love and happy birthday from children, grandchildren, and grandson, of course. Bye.
Baby, I'ma want you. Baby, I'ma need you.
Please take the third exit and then follow the M18 towards Sheffield.
Maybe I'm crazy, but I just can't live without your loving and affection, giving me direction, like a guiding light to help me through the darkest hour. Lately I'm praying that you'll always be staying beside me. Used to be my life was just emotions passing by, feeling all the while never really knowing why. Lately I'm praying that you'll always be staying beside me.
Now turn off to the left and then follow the M18 towards Sheffield. Please follow the M18 for 7 miles.
Elaine's going to be here at 1 with a load of your favourite show tunes, the Stage and Screen News Plus Sunday, Streisand, Two's Company, and thanks for the memory. There's also Break Elect. So if you